Welcome to Wellpro Polymers. Today, we're taking you behind the scenes to explore the process of quality goods product manufacturing. The plastic injection molding machine. A marvel of engineering, this machine transforms raw materials into the products that shape our daily lives. First step with granules that vacuum through pipe and goes in dryer chamber. Then the injection unit. This is where plastic pellets are fed into the machine and meticulously melted at high pressure, preparing them for the molding process. Next up, the mold clamping unit. Witness the precision as the mold, customized for each product, is securely closed with powerful force. This step is crucial to maintain consistency and accuracy. Once the mold is sealed, it's time for the injection. The molten plastic is injected into the mold, filling every detail with exacting precision. It's like watching a symphony of engineering unfold. The cooling system takes center stage now. After molding, the product and mold cool down, ensuring the final form is solidified and ready for the next phase. Behold the ejection system. The mold opens, and our freshly molded product is ejected. Quality is non-negotiable. Our dedicated quality control station meticulously examines each product, ensuring it meets the highest standards before making its way into your hands. Thanks for watching.